Hello everyone, it's Al from gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to access attachments in Gmail. So this is quite easy and short, so I hope you stay with me until the end of this video. So of course what you have to do first is to open your Gmail account, and once you have access to it, then you should be redirected to this page. And over here is the primary inbox, so you can see a lot of emails, and you just have to choose which email has the attachments that you want to access, open, or view, or download for that matter. So over here I have a sample email, so I'm just gonna click that, and this is over here are the attachments. So this one is a photo, so if you click that, then it's the picture itself. And if you want to download it, what you have to do is to just click this download button over here. It's beside the print symbol. So once you click that, then it would be downloaded, and you should be able to view it in your downloads folder in your laptop or whatever gadget you have. And over here would be a PDF, so it's just the same. So this is the attachment file, and if you want to download it, you just have to click the download button over here. So yes, that's it for this video. As you can see, it's very easy to access the attachments. What you have to do is to just scroll all the way down, so it goes over here. It's right above the reply and forward button of the email. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you tune in for more.